You guys back again? Well, your timing's okay, I guess. Gonna head out and see if I can't clean this thing up a bit. I've got some parts in for it. Actually, I bought them for the 69 GMC that I put up for sale. If you want it, it's yours for $1,000. Get hold of me. It runs, it drives, doesn't have reverse. Cares about reverse? Who's going backwards in life? Anyway, this guy here, the 71 GMC. So went to Home Depot to rent one of these. They want $100, or this one was on sale for, I don't know, 3 something, nothing fancy. A B workshop. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna give this thing a quick rinse. Maybe I'll throw you guys on time lapse and throw you up on a tripod, and we'll give her a quick clean, see if we can't make a difference. Okay, I should mention that under the hood, I use this easy off. You know, I don't know if it needs to be easy off. It could be, you know, any brand of dollar store oven cleaner, and I use that to clean the engine and the firewall and all back there. I do it in 2 cleans. So first one, I go over once, and then after it dries, I put the easy off on. Same as the engine. Somebody had mentioned that they thought they seen orange paint peeking through, and in the comments, I think it was Daniel, I don't know, I could be wrong on who it was, but regardless, yeah, you're right, this does look like an orange motor from the 80s. Well, I'll have to pull the numbers off it and see what we got. I'm gonna have to work to get that clean. It's cleaner. I wouldn't say it's clean yet. I want to get underneath and I want to clean all in there. I want to get that transmission cleaned up. This cross member down there is all full of grease and oil. I'm gonna have to get down there with a scraper, and probably the oil pan as well. So I'll lay on my back and get all that cleaned up and looking good. And you guys want to get a closer look at that adapter, homemade adapter. That's something, eh? What's cool is that it works. You know, is it right? No. Does this truck run? Yeah, so that's kind of neat. Previous owner bought that carb off of Amazon. It's supposed to be for this truck, and and it didn't fit. You know, the fact that this motor has been replaced by the looks of it kind of explains that. Same as the HEI, kind of explains the HEI on there too. At any rate, that's where we are there. So we're pretty cleaned up under here. I'm pretty happy with this. Shut that down. And then inside, so basically in here I swept it out, then I vacuumed it out, and then I just gave her a couple of washes with the Windex and some paper towels and stuff. You know what, it makes a big difference. Like if you got a project truck, it may seem silly, but wash the effing thing, because it's easy to lose your momentum when your project is a hunk of crap. I mean, cleaning it up hasn't changed anything in here. It's still a hunk of crap, but you know, it's a little nicer to sit on. My feet aren't getting tangled up in trash. You know, fact is, it's clean. It's kind of nice. Kind of nice to get in and out of something clean. So there you have it. It's cleaned up. That hood did not clean up with the pressure washer, so I'll probably do. You guys probably seen Roadkill with their Comet wash. I might try that. Get some steel wool, some Comet, and kind of give this thing a bath in that and see how it turns out. I don't know. I've never done it before, but willing to give it a shot. Let me know what you guys think. I might do that as early as tomorrow. We'll see. All right, I'm gonna move this thing and clean off my driveway. If you haven't yet, consider like, sharing, and subscribing, and stick around, because we're gonna do some damage on this one. We're gonna do some rockers and cab corners and all that good stuff. We're gonna do a little body work on the other side as well. Back here, we're gonna figure out how to fix this. I don't know. We'll figure it out though. Same as this. It's kind of wallowed in there. We'll get that straightened out. And I don't know. Has anybody got any ideas on this tailgate? I'd hate to give up on it because I absolutely love the look of it. It's got a great look. Anyway, hit me up if you got some ideas. I'd love to hear them. In the meantime, like, share, and subscribe. And we'll catch you guys on the next one, which will not be long. I promise. Cheers.